A military road, a picturesque pit stop and conquering Tai Mo Shan's mighty peak. We're hunting down Hong Kong's 10 best bike rides right here on Drone and Phone. Well, it's the grand finale of our 10 best bike rides. We're starting in Bridle Pool. What are we going to be doing today, Rob?
We're doing a 3-part journey today, DJ. We're starting up in Bridle Pool and we're going to head over down to the border up by Shenzhen and cross the military road. After that, we're then going to head over to Fanling and then up to Shengshui and then finally head on up to Route Twist and go to the tallest mountain in Hong Kong, Tai Mo Shan.
It's going to be the toughest of all the days. It's hot, but it's going to be good. Let's get going.
Here we go.
Hong Kong's trail network offers unparalleled options for hikers with a plethora of routes densely packed into the region. The sport lacks for nothing. When it comes to cycling though, the options still lag behind. So we're out on a road trip to find Hong Kong's 10 best bike rides, to find a variety of terrain and routes to suit just about every level of rider. Our grand finale begins just a short way up from Tai Mo Tuk with a slow climb out along Bridle Pool Road. As Plover Cove Reservoir disappears behind us, lush green woodlands flank our path. So this is the first climb of many today. We're going up towards Bridle Pool. So bear in mind we were going to start at Tai Mo Tuk, but the first 400 metres from Tai Mo Tuk you're not allowed to ride, so we took a lift up there and started just after that. Okay, let's go. Midway we pass Bridle Pool Waterfall, of local legend fame, tucked out of sight in a ravine to our right. We're not stopping though, we've got a long day ahead of us. Reaching the top of the climb, we descend into Nam Chung Uk for a tour of this very picturesque area. Set beside the Starling Inlet, views across the border add another layer to this idyllic setting that will have you reaching for your camera. Temple completes the scene as egrets perch on the trees scanning the wetland for their next catch. Well, we've just passed through what's got to be described as one of Hong Kong's most understated, most picturesque areas down by the border. Really beautiful wetlands and mangroves. Small villages, lovely roads to cycle along to, and now we've joined a much more busy road as we head over to the military road, which is our next task. From the quiet of the wetlands, Shao Tao Kok Road ambles through a mixture of residential and industrial areas and on to Washan Military Road. So we've just started the military road, and Rob up there, the challenge for Rob is whether he can cycle the whole way. Obviously I've got other more important things to do like filming, so I'm gonna be right behind him spiritually, but might have to push a little bit. This 5.6 kilometre trail is mostly an old military road that undulates through a succession of hill ridges over gradients that are popular with hikers but not exactly biker friendly. Along the ridgeline are spectacular views, Pat Sin Leng on one side, Shenzhen on the other.
So I've just made it to the top of the military road. It's very steep. I was told I probably couldn't ride it, but I did. Made it without too many difficulties. Had to stand up at 1 or 2 points just to grunt to the top of some of the crests. Word of warning, if you're taking this route, do come on a bike with a generous amount of gear, so it's a lot easier getting up here. Once you're up here though, look at these views, absolutely amazing.
Much of the trail is easy to ride, but if you're not keen on the steep sections, a slow walk up is a good option on a scorching day.
A little steep in places, but I've got to say it's a lot of fun as well.
Yeah.
Doing the downhills and some amazing views over Shenzhen. I'm looking over now, just amazing.
After that, there are long, flat, view-filled stretches that eventually lead on to some very steep descents. The trail exits onto Mankan Road, where we turn left.
So we've come off the military road, and now we're making our way through Shengshui. It's quite busy, but there is cycle tracks, and then we'll be getting our way over to Route Twisk, where we start the final attack on Tai Mo Shan.
Soon enough, we're in quieter parts under the shade of Mankan Road and to a pit stop ahead of the main challenge of the day.
Lemons take you to the top.
How's it been for you so far, Rob?
The military road was surprisingly easy. Gradient wise it was pretty tough. I had to get out of my seat. But generally it's been a nice excursion so far. How about you?
Yeah, for me this is quite a special route really. Really get to see some areas that you wouldn't normally see. Certainly the military road I've never seen before. And now the big challenge lies ahead of trying to get up to Tai Mo Shan.
Tai Mo Shan's peak dominates the skyline. Radio towers on the summit are clearly visible in the distance, reminding us of the long climb ahead.
Well, this is where it starts. We've got to get up Tai Mo Shan. That's that mountain there, right in front of us. It's about a 1,000-meter climb, and we're at the bottom. It's 4 o'clock now. We hope to be up there by 6 o'clock. See how we do.
Traffic eventually peters out and we're left to turn our pedals during great gaps of silence. The climb is as psychologically challenging as it is physically. Even motorists labour under it. The roadside, scattered with nuts and bolts, is a testament to the mechanical endurance needed to reach the top. And on it goes.
Well, it's taken us about an hour to get up this far. We just got to the halfway point now. Hopefully we'll be able to get an energy drink and then we'll take on the last half. Rob is a little far behind me. He's going a lot slower than me. I guess he's saving his energy, but we'll see how he does on the next. I'm not sure if it's cramp or not. Anyway, onwards and upwards, halfway up.
And on we go, the peak seemingly as far off as when we began. Eventually, encouraging signs of progress appear off to our right as views of Shengshui, now far off in the distance, open up. And on it goes. We break off from Route Twisk, turning left onto Tai Mo Shan Road. A shop is on hand on the right for a refreshment break.
Sausages.
From there on up, the road narrows and we find the company of some fellow cyclists.
Congratulations.
Reaching an old military checkpoint, we leave behind the traffic for the last stretch.
Okay, coming up to the gate.
This old military road is set along much gentler gradients, winding up through hairpin after hairpin. With each turn comes a new and wider view, and any notion you might have about being tired is momentarily lost. With light dimming, we push on to the top before the sun sets on this, the crowning view of the bike series.
Made it! That's it! That's off!
Well, we made it. I'm so pleased I managed to do it. I thought there was no way I was going to be able to cycle up here, but I did it.
You did.
How was it for you today?
I loved it. It was a little bit strenuous for me at times. I haven't ridden this long in a long time, and coming up to a place like this, it's
Just
worth it.
Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Now we've done about 45k so far. Got about another 5k to do to get down to Chunwan. That's coming up next. If you're just finding this for the first time, you're going to find all of our other 10 best bike rides on our YouTube channel and also on our website at droneandphone.com. For now, we're going to go all the way down, 1,000 meters down to Chunwan. That's going to be fun. My name's DJ.
I'm Robbie.
And this is Drone and Phone.